2020, quite a year for all of us. Less people on the streets, more on their mobile phones. And digital boomed because of the pandemic for all age groups. All these uncertainties didn't shake our confidence or creativity. Hi everyone, this is MS Kumar, digital marketing trainer and founder of National Institute of Digital Marketing, Bangalore. There was a time when implementing marketing campaigns meant running ads on television and radio and placing print ads in newspapers and magazines. However, as the world moved forward towards digital marketplace, companies now have the opportunity to expand their reach and connect to their target market through digital marketing tactics. Over the past few years, the world has increasingly been moving towards digital, and 2020 became the year when the digital ecosystem acquired many new visitors, thereby making digital marketing perhaps one of the most effective mediums to reach out to people locked inside their house and stuck to their mobile phones and tablet screens. 93% of online experiences begin with a search engine. If it all starts with a search, then you know how important good SEO is. A high search engine ranking means your site will get noticed before your competition. SEO, search engine optimization leads have a 14.6% close rate, while outbound leads like direct email or print advertising have 1.7% close rate. 18% of local searches done on mobile devices lead to a sale within a day. SEO is a form of getting in front of the right audience through their own curiosity, opposed to outbound leads, which generally the audience are not always looking for what you offer. More than half of smartphone users are engaging in voice search. We see that number further growing in the next year with an emphasis on visuals within e-commerce segment will make SEO even more important. Google Lens is ruling the path here. 71% of luxury brands measure influencer success through web traffic. The digital marketplace is a vast playground where luxury brands thrive. It only makes sense that influencers and brands work together through digital marketing efforts. Influencer marketing will grow to about 15% of overall digital media budgets. Influencer marketing has been on the rise lately with social media, especially in the eye of the youth. It might be something to consider when dealing with brand marketing. Based on a survey, 68% of consumers have said that they would like to learn about new products via short videos. 4.8% is the average conversion rate for websites using videos compared to 2.9% for those who don't. With video consumption surging, we foresee advertisers investing in thumb-stopping videos to marketing to their consumer base via Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. Videos have been engaging and very relevant when it comes to your audience deciding whether to purchase or sit back. As a marketer, create few videos for your website or content and see what happens. Nearly 90% of video marketers call video a good return on investment. Mobile users are still on rise. Whether a digital surfer or a consumer, your mobile phone follows you wherever you go. So it makes sense that more and more people prefer mobile over desktop website when it comes to the content. Consumers are looking at your content from their smartphones. Make sure your web pages are optimized for mobile devices. No matter your marketing goals, gaining insight to support your cause is a necessity. 2021 looks to be the year of content-based marketing for businesses of all sizes. Content marketing revenue will soon exceed $300 billion. The creation of content and content marketing, whether long form of text or video, is going to be the cornerstone of all digital marketing campaigns. 60% of marketers create at least one piece of content each day. 53% of marketers say blogging is their top content marketing priority. You can expect about 67% more leads every month if your brand has a blog. A lot of companies think that they don't need to interact with their social audience, but in reality, it will only benefit the relationship between one another. There are now more than 50 million startups using Facebook pages to connect with their consumers, in which 4 million of those businesses pay for social media advertising on Facebook. More and more people enter this world. More and more will hop on social media. Facebook is one of the most widely used social media platforms for any age group. These numbers will continue to grow throughout the years. So marketers should definitely utilize Facebook for their digital marketing efforts. Almost 90% of marketers say their social media marketing efforts have increased exposure for their business and 75% say they have increased traffic. LinkedIn posts with images receive 200% more engagement than text-only posts. There are more than 450 million LinkedIn user accounts. That's a hefty amount of business-oriented personas. This number has continued to grow throughout the years and will continue to do so in the coming years. Around 4% of B2B organizations rely on LinkedIn for content marketing and distribution. LinkedIn's audience base is very driven in their career goals. It only makes sense that LinkedIn's strong point is dealing with B2B organizations and like-minded personas. Since digital marketing is constantly evolving, so should your knowledge as marketers. It was through digital that we connected in 2020. it is appreciated because it proved it can be serious driver for business. This innate and interconnected ability of this space has got many top level executives to understand it more and eventually harness the power of digital marketing. Time is money. When you are able to automate your workflow through dedicated tools, you are able to save time and pursue your next marketing task. Digital marketing will be a key component to your overall marketing strategy in 2021. When used effectively, it's a great tool to help you to identify and grow your audience. That audience will then become your customers. Digital marketing has evolved throughout the years and will only continue to come up with innovative ways to connect with your audience. As a marketer, it's your duty to capitalize on the marketplace and have a keen understanding of who your audience is and what they want. Any startup brand that wants to get ahead in the current business climate needs to adopt digital marketing tactics as a part of their overall strategy. This doesn't mean that you have to move out of the traditional print ads, especially if your business is seeing great response from these type of ads. However, by using digital marketing tactics in combination with your current traditional marketing strategies, your business can start to optimize your campaigns for maximum results. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.